Maybe not. Hey, it's Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso Realty. Good morning. Just a real quick update on the market. Current inventory right now, what we're facing in Southwest Florida is 17,704 units. There was 448 sold in the last 7 days, and then with pending 186, and then pending with conditions 249. So the 249 one, like pending with conditions, those are the ones that just went under contract. You kind of look from last week, it's a little bit slower this week than last week, and that's just based, obviously, it's Labor Day, long weekend, and clearly people were on vacation and things got put on hold. Regarding the sterile, for example, we are currently right now at 654 units on the market. Pending with conditions 10 went under contract in the last 7 days. Pending are still eight and closed 19. So a little bit change from last week, but ultimately still relatively stable in that regards. What we're looking forward to right now, going forward, obviously, is in the resale and also in the new construction, is the mortgage rates coming down. What we've noticed right now is obviously the rates are coming down. We've had a good inflow because we obviously have a property management company that we run too. So we sell investments to people out of state, out of country. Then ultimately we get them on the market. We lease them out. Either it's a seasonal rent or a long-term rent, and then we manage it. But we've noticed now we have, I think, 4 or 5 listings in the market for rent, for lease, and we've had all activity over the weekend, which is great. 2 to 3 showings per property, so hopefully we can lock a few of those up and get our investor clients paid. But what we need to look forward to right now is obviously the mortgage rates and the Feds reducing the policy rate. So clearly we have a meeting on September 4th tomorrow. Hopefully we're going to see a little bit of interest rate improvement, so the federal policy, rather, if they can adjust it by 1/4 point. And you know what, it tells me the U.S. is going to do this because the whole world has been doing this right now, not just in North America, like across the border, that's into Canada, but also all over Europe. The UK's gone, Sweden's going now, some other big economies, Germany's going now, so a lot of them are adjusting rates down. So everyone's kind of got up together, now they're all coming down together. So it looks like the U.S. will hammer out very shortly, let's say that. And what we need to look forward to right now is this 30-year mortgage. This is the posted rate right now. We're at 6.35% for a 30-year fix. Clearly, this can be bought down by your agent, or you can buy it down yourself by buying points, but this is where it is right now. And this is where we were about a year ago, October of 2023. So we've almost reduced 1.5%, so 1.5% down from the height, which is good. And what this is going to do is going to put pressure on current inventory. Remember, right now, like between Lennar and Pulte and all these big builders out here in Southwest Florida, D.R. Horton, these are publicly traded companies. What they're doing is they don't give a shit realistically about anything. It's not like a mom and pop shop where they can hold back lots and say, okay, we're not maximizing profit. These guys work on numbers. Clearly, they have performance to perform on. So what they'll do is they'll just keep unloading properties. So they'll just keep creating larger incentives for buyers. Give them, like, if you're a naturalized citizen, clearly, what that does for you is you're going to get their buy down rates. And if it's not a secondary property, you get the buy down rates. So what they'll do is they'll kind of give you something like if it's a quick move in, like a under 5% mortgage, and for the first 3 years, or something of that nature. And what they're doing is just they're buying down the rate for you in advance, which is okay. You know, at least you get a lower rate until everything kind of stabilizes and we get better rates in. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions regarding properties out here in Southwest Florida, give us a call. Our information's obviously everywhere.